Hey guys, it's me, Big Master Test 230 here, and I'm back with the Bissell Powerforce Compact Turbo, and I'm gonna be vacuuming my living room carpet. I haven't vacuumed it in 2 days, and there's dirt and hair and everything all over it, and the bin is dusty, does got some hair in it. The filter is dusty. I'm actually might clean it before I start so you can see how dirty it gets. I'm actually gonna do that before I start. But the week update video will go up Sunday, but I'm currently having net issues, so my editing has been cut back, so I haven't been able to edit any of my videos. I have 3 of them already that need to be edited. I had one that was supposed to go up yesterday, and then this one is going to go up today, and then I have one going up Sunday, which is going to be the week update, because that's when I got this vacuum, was on Sunday. So, yeah, I'm going to try to get those videos edited and up as soon as I can, but my net keeps going in and out. It's a 50-50 shot I got. I have net, but I don't. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. So I'm going to try. So I'm going to go back to my bedroom, and I'm going to vacuum off the, clean off the bin and vacuum off the filter so we can see it a lot better. I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Look at that. Much better. So, pick up the cord. Put it, turn it on. Okay, that's better. Oh yeah, it's bending all the way. It does a really good job at it. It is perfect. I'm turning on my light. Hi, Sarge. He is 4.5 months old now. He is a purebred Siberian Husky. There's my sister's table. Look at all that hair. He said I haven't vacuumed in 2 days. And this is what my house looks like. Look what my carpets look like. Because it's fall time, he's shedding a lot more. All my animals are shedding, and well, it's not being dirty. Jump. Jump, move, Sarge. Alright. That's my living room vacuum. So, you can see, we'll fill this bin. Went slightly above the mesh line on the back. There's some hair around the shroud. All that hair, dirt and dust. So I've got the filter. It's got a little bit of dust on it, but not bad. It's a really good small little vacuum. So I got the brush roll. This is the brush roll. It does have some hair in it. These are extremely stiff bristles. It does have some hair wrapped in it. Has a large opening for the dirt. Auto height. I think I need to lube up these wheels some. Not wanting to roll very freely. That one is, but this one's not. Two large rubberized wheels. That's where the belt is, right here. Yeah, it's a pretty good little machine. It comes with this dusting brush, crevice tool, this turbo brush. And if you ever wonder what this is, push this button. You kind of need two hands. Try to do it with one. See? It's the extension one. Stick your hose in to the end of there. Your extension one. Go clips back. It's pretty easy to tell what does what. Everything that's highlighted green does something. So this is the hand release pedal. This is the thing you lift, open up the lid. That's for the door release. You turn this to unlock the hose to take it out. Yeah, it's a pretty good little vacuum. Bissell Powerforce Compact Turbo. This averages about $50. You can currently buy the 2020 from 2019 to 2021 models you can buy of this one. But the 2022, you can, from 2022 to 2023, you cannot buy this model. The models down for this do have suction relief valves. This one does too, but it's slightly more sensitive. And yeah, this baby's got a 10 amp motor in there. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. There's gonna be a big mess that's coming up soon. Bye for now.